How to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step we will take is we'll first head over to our settings, head over to general on our settings, and head over to iPhone storage. After you're here, search for TikTok. And after you find TikTok, open it up and offload the app. Tap on offload app and then offload the app. Offloading the app will clear its cache and you can reinstall it right after it offloads. And after you do that, try to open up your TikTok and link your Instagram to your TikTok profile again. If that does not do it, head over to your app store and simply search for update. Now, if your TikTok is not updated, it can sometimes have bugs and issues, different technical related issues, which can be fixed with a simple update. So yeah, just update the app. Your app updates come with bug fixes and patches. So after updating the app, you can just head over to your TikTok and head over to your profile and simply edit your profile and link your account to your Instagram account. And that's basically how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.